There's fear everywhere. Fear that AI will take jobs. In operations, people ask, will robots replace me? The answer is no. AI won't replace the workforce. It will transform it. Here's what I see. Operators become analysts. Technicians become reliability engineers. Planners become strategists. AI takes away the firefighting. People take on higher value roles. When people stop chasing breakdowns, they start solving bigger problems. They innovate, they lead, they create the future instead of reacting to the past. In the near future, the most valuable workers won't be the ones via AI. They will be the ones who know how to work with it, not against it, not afraid of it, but alongside it, as co pilots in intelligent operations.